Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, let me show you all charging methods. So first of all, you can use for sure this wireless charger that comes in the box. So when you put it like that, and then plug this USB-C end into the power supply, like for example in my case, I will try to connect this into my phone. As you can see, it's actually start charging my watch after I just unlock the screen of my phone. Also, we can connect this end of the cable into the power adapter with the USB-C extension. You can connect it also into your laptop, PC, game console, or any other device, like for example the power bank. Also, you can charge this watch by using wireless charger, so you can just put it like that, hold it for a few seconds until you get the charging animation. If it doesn't work, you will have to erase and put it back with unlocked screen. And as you can see, that's how it looks. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.